Wsos yma o Monnow Valley mae Mari o'r grŵp Saron, Owain o Band Pres Llareggub a Houdini Dax o Gaerdydd yn cydweithio. A maen nhw ar fi'n darganfod dewis o pa dair can maen nhw am gael i wneud cyfyr ohoni.
Dyma ni. Ffa Coffi Pawb.
Oh, cool, man.
Mae'r yna di da, actually. Just mae hwnna'n dipyn o long ceg, dydy.
Yeah.
Gan i weld.
Especially.
Dax, what do you think?
Yeah.
The top one.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. What?
I actually know them quite good, because are they all off the best of
Yeah,
Ffa Coffi
yeah, they
Pawb?
are.
Yeah, and is it the top one that you like?
Yeah, that's one. That's one that jumped out to us.
Hwna sydd efo'r bras arno fo hefyd? Na.
Na. Dwi'n
Felly
meddwl.
chi dy fflachlwch dros da i.
Sigi. The words are quite good in that as well.
Yeah.
We wouldn't know.
By the end of the day.
They're quite easy to sing for a learner to sing.
Yeah, sega, segur.
We're going to have to do something different with it, though.
Yeah, we're going to change the key.
What about Ivan? Huh?
We're going to change the key for you.
Oh.
Is that the idea? You're singing?
Oh, no. We haven't
It's all
started
open.
anything.
Well,
No.
I don't.
You've got all day.
Lle pawb yn mynd am sega segur, pawb yn hapus?
Happy.
Hapus, gwych.
I think we should all try the chorus.
Chorus, yeah.
Yeah.
Di sylweddoli mod i'n sylweddoli fod hi'n sylweddoli mod i'n sylweddoli Wy'n rhaid sylweddoli y gred fod angen byn ar y deg.
Are you sure you don't speak Welsh?
Positive.
Wow.
I'm just thinking, I don't know, we just need to make sure. What keys in?
A's and E.
I think maybe, as you say, put the drums and bass down.
Should we go in there, man?
Yeah, I think just before we do that.
Mari, ti wedi cael cyfarfod pawb, hogia Houdini Dax a Owain rwan. Be di dy deimladau cyntaf di am sy'n mae'r diwrnod yn mynd i fynd?
Mae'n mynd yn dda, mae'n cool os mae Houdini Dax di cyrraedd a maen nhw fel band ready-made. So ni di bod yn mynd amdani i jamo'r gan yn barod.
Gen nhw i sŵn penodol hefyd.
Yeah, exactly. Ond mae'n cool achos fi creu unwaith bydd hwnna lawr, byddwn ni'n gallu neud bach o stwff mwy sport rownd hwnna hefyd.
Ti'n meddwl, allwch chi perswadio nhw i ganu rhywfaint, achos yn aml dyn nhw'n gallu siarad Cymraeg, ond mae hwnna'n rhan o'r challenge, ynddi?
Fi'n meddwl, fi'n credu bod nhw up for it.
Yeah?
Ni di bod yn canu yr kitgan a pethau yn barod. Oedd y boys yn y band yn gweud, you're the one singing, a ni fel, oh no! So fi'n trial rhoi'r syniad bod pawb yn ei gael falle pennill.
Reit, oce.
Falle pawb splito fel an.
Oce, iawn. Tenin, as in, she had
Like
a
a
leash on the car with a bitch on the back.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Female dog, yeah.
Yeah.
Roedd ganddi garcage a tenyn y bitch ar ei pen. Roedd hi'n hog... Roedd hi'n hogan gref. Wrth hi'n cario beth ar hyn.
Yeah.
Cool, good to go? Yeah. Here we go, man.
A gallu adfer ei meddwl yn olfelio byd.
Options.
Feel very
Definite,
confident back on phones.
I think it's just because you usually know what you're singing, so you can just concentrate on your vocal take instead of trying to concentrate on words. Listen to Griff's take on it. There's no energy in it at all anyway. So when it's double
Having a go.
Ac ar ôl cymryd ei gomod, doedd na llun cyffyrdd na chwemod, a gael I adfer ei meddwl e olfelio.
It's good. Again.
Is it the same then? Beth yw hwn?
So that's the second time. Dau bar yn yr ail waith mae'n digwydd. Carry on.
Jack, you've had a bash at singing in Welsh today. How's that been?
It was an experience.
Yeah?
Yeah, I did enjoy it as well, yeah. It was good.
Was it harder than you thought?
Yeah, it was actually, because I just wanted to get it right, because obviously I don't know what it means. I still don't know what it means. But
We don't know what it means, so it's okay. Owain, beth ti'n feddwl, ydy o di mynd y ffordd chdi'n disgwyl hyd
O, dyn
yma?
ni'n ei gael, dwi'n gwybod, rhyw awr ddweitha, jyst yn leirio vocals o dop i gilydd. A mae'r hogia wedi gwneud pethau arbennig. Mae'n swnio'n wych, mae'n swnio mor llawn, mae'n gymaint o pethau cyffroes dwi wedi gweld. Ie, mae'n crunch time rhan, so dyn ni rhyw awr ar ôl i recordio hynna. So, ie, ond ar y funud mae'n swnio'n wych, mae'n swnio'n rili llawn. Oh, yeah.
Happy!
Happy!
Fantastic! Wait, no, that's French.